This module around the year 100 Common Era, when the Roman Empire was a superpower controlling the entire Mediterranean world, with a powerful emperor and a mighty military symbolized by the triumphal arch. The year 200, that massive territorial command and tradition of stability under an emperor would begin to crumble and crack under new kinds of pressure. A horrible emperor named Commodus, shown here dressed up pretending he's Hercules, was a delusionally egotistical and corrupt disaster for the Roman Empire, and his reign ended the long period of peace and stability. His decadent rule was followed by a period of civil strife, military coups, and an extended period of war, civil war. Political art of the time records this sense of violence, paranoia, and mistrust, as you see in this portrait of Emperor Caracalla, who was a kind of a gangster emperor, bloodthirsty and untrustworthy. He was reestablished only when Emperor Diocletian created a new system. He divided the huge empire into a western and an eastern half and set up a system of shared rule among 4 rulers, 2 of whom had the title of Augustus and 2 had the title of Caesar. This rule of 4 is called the Tetrarchy. This new tetrarch system, the center of power shifted. The city of Rome was no longer the central capital. Instead, new capitals were set up at locations more strategic for managing the empire's borders: Thessaloniki, Nicomedia, Milan, and Trier. Numerous tribes of northern barbarians had been pouring into the empire. These new locations provided better centers of control. The Tetrarch system did not last once Diocletian died. Rome plunged back into civil war as rival factions struggled for power. A new stability was established when Constantine beat back his rival Maximilian. Victorious, he became the new emperor, Constantine the Great, reestablishing Rome as a unified state under a single ruler, at least for now. Constantine is famous for legitimizing Christianity, but it's also of great consequence that he established his capital in the eastern Mediterranean, and he named it after himself, Constantinople, the city of Constantine.